Hello everyone. What I have here today is a 52-inch Canarm Victorian ceiling fan, as it looks like that's the model name. It has a special feature which is a dual mount, and it's in white/bright brass. It was new in the box at Habitat, and yeah, it's really good fan. Glad I got this. It's in perfect condition, and it just looked like it was never opened. Like, it looks completely new. So yeah, it does have cane blades. It has GE vent, and yeah. So, guess we can give it a spin now. As I'll have to do it. There we go. I'm hoping I can wire this up one day. Wire up my fans. But I don't know when that will ever happen. I do not know what year this is dated. I tried looking for a date on this, but couldn't find one. But could be maybe the late 80s or mid 80s or early 90s probably, or late 90s maybe. I don't know, but if any of you know, please let me know. Give you a close-up. Yeah, as you can see, I got the pull chains sticking there for a piece of tape, so it doesn't go into the motor, doing it like how Emmanuel does it when he's testing his fans, like floor testing. So none of the chains flop into the motor. So yeah, that is it. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.